Today I have an unboxing. This is like my first luxury purchases of the year. I'm super excited. I was trying to slow down. Like, I've been doing a lot of damage over these past couple of years with the luxury things, but I've been trying to like slow down, be more financially responsible and all of the things, you know. There's things going on in the economy and all of that stuff. So I have to be a responsible adult. So I've been trying to slow down, but I could not help myself when this collection came out. So before I even start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I make luxury, beauty, and lifestyle content. If that's your thing, hit the button below and join the family. So there was a Louis Vuitton X Murakami collab that happened 20 years ago, and this is the 20th anniversary of that collaboration. I am a Louis Vuitton girl. I think I mentioned it before. Like, that was the first luxury brand that I was introduced to. My mom had Louis Vuitton bags, and I remember like trying to wear her bags to school when I was younger, and like she's even passed down bags to me. So like Louis Vuitton is near and dear to my heart. And I remember when this collection came out, I was maybe 10 or 11, and like Lindsay Lohan from Mean Girls had the bag in the movie, and Regina George had the bag, and it's just like, it was a big thing. Like Paris Hilton and Kim Kardashian, just all of them, they had the bags. I was like, wow, like, I like those bags. Those are really cute. Of course, I couldn't afford it then. I was a child, and my mom wasn't buying me luxury bags back then. So I just always like looked at those like, wow, I wish I could have those bags. But when they reintroduced them at the top of this year, I was like, I have to get my hands on one of these bags. And in January when they launched, I was unable to get anything from the collection. It sold out within minutes, and I did not have a relationship with a sales associate at the store. So I just missed out, and I was really bummed, and I'm like, wow, I really wish that I could have like at least got a piece or some type of item from the collection. However, I did meet a sales associate maybe in February or March, and she has been so helpful. Oh my gosh, shout out to her. I don't even know if I want to say her name because I don't want nobody going in the store and asking for her. But my CA, it's not even a sales associate, my client advisor, so a CA, not an SA. She has been so helpful. So back in March, she texted me and she was like, hey Janae, I have a pre-order available for the multicolor Murakami pieces. Like, they're coming back and you can order it through me. And I was like, yeah, I want to. So she sent me pictures of what was going to be available. I picked what I wanted, and it just came. So I waited like really 4 months for this stuff because it came out in January and I wasn't able to get it in January. But I did order it in March and it did come in April. It took exactly a month to come, which is crazy. So let's start the unboxing. I did get a bag. I know a lot of people have been complaining about not receiving all of the package. So there is bags, there are ribbons, there are stickers, and then there are like pieces that came on the ribbon. So with my, well, I just gave it away. With my bag, I did get the ribbon and I got 2 bags. So my client advisor, I had to pick up my item from the store. She had it shipped to the store because she said it would be a better chance of like it actually coming versus getting it shipped to my house. So I went to pick it up from the store. So she gave me this small bag. This is the box that came with it and a ribbon. And then she did give me a big shopping bag. So I had 2 bags and then the ribbon. So let's start. And I have not seen this since I was at the store, so I did get to inspect it when I picked it up, but I did not open it since I've had it, since I took it home. Oh my God. Okay, so I got the multicolor Murakami Pochette Accessoire. And this is her. Oh my God, it's so good. And there's nothing wrong with my bag. I know there's been quality issues, but there's nothing wrong with her. She is beautiful. So it does come with the shoulder strap, the Vachetta shoulder strap. And it also comes with the chain. The chain is everything. Oh my God. It has like these balls that say Louis Vuitton and they move. Like each ball moves. So it does have like the clear plastic on it right now, which I will take off. But This is just so cute. This is a substantial piece of hardware. Like, I probably could wear it as like a choker. Ooh, that's cute. Like a necklace if I wanted to, but yeah, this is her. She's so pretty. Okay, let me see if I can put all of the things on. Okay, so this is her. So this is, like I mentioned, the leather strap that comes with it, and then it has the chain strap as well that you can wear both at the same time too. It's like a cute little addition, and the older bags that came out previously did not have this chain, so this is a new addition, a new piece of hardware, and it doesn't have the studs like the original did. So the original had like pointy studs. These are kind of flat, but it's so cute. I cannot wait to wear her. Oh my god. So perfect on my shoulder. I just love this, love this, love this. She's so cute. So this is the Pochette accessoire. I will have everything in the description. It is not available right now. I do think they may restock soon when they come out with the last collection, which is the cherries that's coming out at the end of this month. I think they will restock, but just in case, I'll have the link in the description. But this is the bag. She's super, super, super cute. I did manage to get 2 more items on my own without my CA's help. So there was a restock a couple weeks ago. It was very quick. Things went very quick, and I just happened to be at the right place at the right time online, and I was able to snag 2 more pieces. So, and with these pieces, I did get the actual onion head little like charm thing that comes with the ribbon, and I did get stickers, and I got another bag. So I got all of the packaging with this stuff. So these are the cute fun stickers. I was so excited to get these because a lot of people were saying that they did not get stickers. So that's super fun. I mean, when you pay this amount of money for things, you want it to come with everything. Like, you want all of the accoutrement, you want all of the everything that you paid for, you want to get. So I was happy to get those things. So let's open up this one. And I got the multicolor Charlotte pencil pouch. And this is so freaking cute. So I'm not going to use it as a pencil pouch. I'm probably going to use it as like a keep all in one of my bags. So I'm going to put like lip gloss, lip liner, like little small little travel items, like little minis, things that can fit in here. Now I definitely know that it can fit a lot. I looked at a lot of like reviews, so I'm excited to have this piece. She is really cute, and it has the pink around the zipper. It's so freaking cute, and it has the smaller Louis Vuitton logos on it, so it's not as big as the bag, but here are the 2 together. So you see it's smaller, and there was nothing wrong with this one either. I was so happy to have received items that were in good condition because a lot of people have made complaints. And it fits. Does it fit in the bag? It does fit in the bag. So it's like a little pouch inside of the bag, which is super, super cute. So like I said, I got this from a restock online, and I was so happy to be able to have some more pieces from the collection, so I grabbed this one. And the last item that I got, which also came with an onion head, the multicolor bracelet. I think it's called the Keep It bracelet right here. And this is actually still available right now. So today is May 3rd or May 4th. And this is still available on the site, so I'll definitely have a link below. But I do think I'm going to return this because I didn't really want this. So when I was doing the restock online, I was trying to get the pencil pouch, but it wouldn't get in my cart. Like, it kept having an error, and this was available, so I put this in the cart. And I'm like, well, let me see if this goes in the cart. Let me see if the pouch goes in the cart. So I put this, and then I put the pouch, and it went in the cart. And I'm like, let me just check out. So I checked out, and everything went good, and I was like, okay, cool. But I didn't really want this. I really just wanted the pouch. So I am going to return this. But it is cute, but I had a bracelet like this in Damier Azur that I never wore because I could not put it on myself. Like, the way that it opens, you need help putting it on. Like, it doesn't go on. Like, I can't explain. Like, you know how there's bracelets where you have to have like another person to like help you put it on. That's how that bracelet was for me. And I don't always have someone with me when I'm getting dressed, so it just was never something that I reached for. So I ended up selling that. And this is like the same type of closure, so I definitely think, well, I definitely know I'm going to return that. So that will be going back. But I am satisfied with what I got. Like, I didn't want to get a whole bunch of things. There were other items that I really wanted as well, but I know when my CA reached out to me, the things that were available, I was like, okay, let me get a bag. Like, I have to get a bag from this collection. And it was between the Pochette Accessoire and the Nano Speedy, which the Nano Speedy is so freaking cute too. But I did my research because I was like, this is a big purchase. Like, I need to be sure what I'm doing. So I was looking up like reviews of people and their Nano Speedies and things like that. And they were saying that it was hard to get in and out because it's so small. And the closure is like, you know, a Speedy is just like a hole. It's just like a big hole basically. So they were saying it was hard to get in and out. You can't really find the things you're looking for. And it was just like a big thing. And it had more Vachetta, which I'm so nervous about. I am going to try to get some protection on my Vachetta. But yeah, it was like the Speedy is just too much leather, and it was small, and I don't know. I think I made the right decision with the Pochette Accessoire. So I did end up getting an additional strap, and this is actually from Amazon, and it is leather, and it does match pretty well. So this is like a crossbody strap that I can use, so I can make this bag multifunctional, so I can use it as a shoulder bag, but I can also do it crossbody too. I definitely have options, which I'm so happy about. So it's like this, and I can wear it as a crossbody. And then I did find this cute little charm. There is a seller on Instagram. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Amir collection or something like that. I'll have a link below too, but this little bow thing. So the thing that really sold me with the Speedy was the bow that came with it. And I have a picture of it somewhere. It's so cute. And the Pochette Accessoire doesn't come with that. So when I seen that they were selling this little bow, I was like, oh my God, yes, please. So this is what it looks like on the bag. And I do plan to do some cute little fun charms. It's so cute. So I get that Speedy feel with the bow with my Pochette. So yeah. I'm super, super happy. 10-year-old me is like so giddy and just so like, yes, thank you so much for fulfilling my dreams. But yeah, this is so cute, and I cannot wait to wear her this summer. And I don't even think this would only be a summer bag. Like, I would definitely wear it in the winter, in the fall, in the spring. Like, it's a bag. Like, all of the colors go with anything. You can wear this with anything. It's just so good. It's so good. I'm so happy to have a piece of it. I don't think I'm going to go for anything in the Cherries collection coming up. Louis Vuitton just had a price increase too, and I'm like, you guys are going a little too hard for canvas pieces and denim pieces. Like, they're not even leather bags. So yeah, I have some thinking to do about that one. I don't think I'm going to do any big purchases with the Cherries, but I am very happy to have the Pochette Accessoire in the white multicolor. She's so cute. So yeah, if you have any questions or if you like what you saw, don't forget to shoot me a comment, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.